Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for the Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. So first of all, we can start from the volume buttons. They are located on the right side, and let me show you. When you click on the volume up, you can smoothly zoom in. Take a look. You can click and hold and zoom in. We can also point to this button in front of me. And with the volume down, we can zoom out. And it works really smooth. And it's also changing the lenses, as you can see. You can also zoom in by pinching the screen with the two fingers. Or simply when you go for the standard presets like wide lens, ultra wide, wide and the telephoto lens, you can just click once and you will unlock this slider. So you can basically find the three ways of zooming in and out on this phone. Next, when you click on the screen, you can find this icon right here, and thanks to this icon you can adjust the brightness level manually. And to do this automatically, click twice on the screen. Next, when you're going to click and hold this shutter button, as you can see, you can take this series of the photos, and we can take over 100 photos in each series. Next, if you want to add delay to your shutter, you have to click right here and then select between 3 or 10 seconds. When you want to adjust other parameters, you can also click right here, and as you can see, you can adjust the white balance. Next, we can go to the settings where we can find other useful parameters. For example, right here we can enable the grid lines, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. There's also option to simply mute this shutter sound when you take the photos, and also we can adjust function of the volume buttons. So I just show you that you can use them like zooming in and out, but you can also use them like the normal shutter. So when you click once, you can catch the focus and the photo will be taken. And if you want to get other parameters, the other modes, just click on the mode, and here you can find probably the most advanced Pro mode on any phone that you can find. It looks really good. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.